Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to access and sync your Google Drive files offline across devices. Having offline access allows you to view and edit files even without an internet connection. And syncing makes sure the file changes are updated everywhere. So let's get started. First, we need to enable offline access for the specific files and folders we want available offline. Download the Google app for desktop, then install it. On your computer, click on My Drive and select Available Offline. This will save the file to your device so you can access it later without internet. You can also click the three dots next to My Drive and choose Make Available Offline. Pick the files folders to sync. On mobile, tap the three lines and choose Make Available Offline. Select the content to sync. Now those files can be viewed and edited offline on that device. Next, let's make sure changes sync across devices. Google Drive automatically syncs changes when you're online, so any edits made on mobile will update on desktop once back online. You can also manually sync by going to Drive on the web and clicking the Sync button in the top right. This will force a sync and update devices. On mobile, pull down to refresh and it will fetch the latest files from the cloud. And that's it. With offline access and syncing, you can seamlessly work with your Drive files even without an internet connection. Changes will sync across devices. Let me know if you have any other questions. I'll see you in the next video.